This video will show you how to remove the stock rear bumper on all 2007 through 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs.
So the first step to our install is to remove our spare tire. I'm using a 13/16 inch deep socket. You may be using a 19mm deep socket depending on your lug nut size. So now we're going to remove our rear bumper. I'm going to start by removing the 2 bolts holding in this bracket on our frame rail. I'm going to be using a 17mm socket to remove those 2 bolts. Now we can do the same thing on the other side. So you may have 2 more tabs that are holding the bumper onto the rear frame rail. They'll be located underneath here. You can go ahead and remove those now. We don't actually have those on there right now, so we are ready to remove our rear bumper.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.